welcome to TV9 News. I'm your host Jyoti Jha and this is your one-stop destination for top trending entertainment stories. Mother-to-be Anushka Sharma has recently said that she does not want to raise brats. You heard it right. In an interview to a magazine, the actress said that she wants to give core values to her child and also keep him or her away from the media attention. This is not the first time that any actress is thinking like this. We also have an example of Hollywood actress Cameron Diaz, who has never brought her child in the media attention. Not even a single picture of her child is out in media. Similarly, looking at our Indian actors, we also have Akshay Kumar and Kajol, who always make sure that their kids are safe from the media's attention. And guess what? The Maharashtra government is all set to start a Bollywood tourism. You heard it right. Now, if you want to see how exactly your favorite actors or TV serial actors shoot for your favorite serials and films, you can now go to Maharashtra. You can have a bus tour to the entire film city, watch the live shoots of TV serials and films, and in case if you're lucky enough, you can also get out, talk to the actors and also click pictures with them. Not just that, but you can also go to Juhu and Andheri, where the various actors have their residence, and see who lives where. Now, one point that you should consider here is that Maharashtra is giving its film city a boost after Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath said that he wants to make Asia's biggest film city in his state. It was not long ago when people were talking about Alia Bhatt and Ranbir Kapoor being engaged. Some called that being engaged, some said they're getting married, some said Deepika and Ranbir are there for their engagement, the family members are in the same hotel. But guess what? Nothing happened because Ranbir Kapoor himself put a full stop to all the speculations, and just adding some fuel to the fire, Alia Bhatt also posted a picture with a caption saying, cheers to all the lies ahead of us. Well, now this confirms that the actors are not engaged, not married, and nothing is in the calendar anytime soon. Actor Sonu Sood, who recently emerged as the Masiha to many, has given an interview to a media portal where he spoke about how he feels about the current situation that's happening in the Bollywood, especially after Sushant Singh Rajput died, how people started targeting Bollywood actors and actresses and filmmakers. In fact, he took an indirect jibe on Kangana Ranaut, saying that it already hurts how people are being treated in Bollywood, and it hurts even more when a family member, that is a person from the Bollywood himself, is pointing fingers at the film industry. Now, what you should mention here is that Sonu Sood and Kangana Ranaut were in good terms until Kangana Ranaut made the film Manikarnika. Now, you should also notice that the fact that when Kangana Ranaut made this film, she changed the director herself and she herself became the director for the film. Not just that, in fact, she took out Sonu Sood's part from the film, for which the actor was very much hurt. So now, of course, it seems like he is taking his grudge from the actress. And it won't be a mistake to say that politics is slowly entering the Bollywood industry, or say film industry. Now, Congress Sachin Sawant has taken a jibe at the NCB, telling that the NCB is deliberately targeting Bollywood actors. In fact, is questioning when NCB has the time to interrogate Karan Johar's house party video, why is it not questioning Kangana Ranaut, who herself has confessed that she was doing drugs and now she is out of it. In fact, his rumored boyfriend, or called ex-boyfriend, Adhyayan Suman, also in an interview said that Kangana Ranaut used to do drugs and she even forced him to do drugs as well. So now Sachin Sawant is questioning why is NCB not questioning Kangana Ranaut or anybody associated to her when it comes to drugs. But end of the day, is not Kangana Ranaut also a part of Bollywood if Sachin Sawant is trying to save Bollywood? Some news from Khiladi Kumar as well. You heard it right. Akshay Kumar will be doing his web series debut with the series called The End. Now, in this, you will see Akshay Kumar in the action avatar. Akshay Kumar, who himself calls himself first as a stunt person and then as an actor, is finally going to do some stunts in the web series The End. A few years ago, when he was doing back-to-back comedy films, an interviewer asked him why exactly did he leave his stunts persona and got into comedy where he said that my children are too young and I do not want to take any risk. But now it seems like Akshay Kumar is back and has the confidence that he can take the risk back and get into his action avatar. Currently, the end is in the pre-production stage, and the rumors say that the shoot for the series will start in early 2021. Where 12% of the theatres across the country has been permanently shut down, Cinepolis on the other hand has been launching multiplexes after multiplexes in different locations. After launching multiplexes in New Bombay, now the Cinepolis is extending its chain to Gurgaon and Chennai as well. Now they have touched the 100 cinemas mark is also, and they have a total of 419 screens across the country. Seems like Cinepolis is all set to give a tough competition to PVR and INOX. Actor and comedian Raju Srivastava has been getting death threats from Pakistan. You heard it right. The actor recently filed an FIR in a Lucknow police station stating that he has been getting numerous calls from Pakistani numbers and who are threatening him that in case he makes any anti-Pakistan statements, then he will be killed. Not just him, even his PRO has been getting various calls where they are threatening to harm both the actor and his family members. Speaking of Hollywood, Tom Hanks is preparing for his upcoming film. In fact, he has started shooting for his untitled film. What happened recently is that he had to be a part of a video chat with one of the media portals where he was wearing a cap. And as soon as he took out the cap, we could see his bald avatar, which was never seen avatar. Now after taking the cap out, he said, "Oh damn, I just scared a few children. What am I doing for movies?" That was a funny part that people are talking about because Tom Hanks going bald is a news. Well, those are the top trending entertainment stories for the day. For more such updates, like, share and subscribe to TV9 News. Thank you so much for watching.